Today, we're diving into a tool that's a game changer for strategic decision-making, SWOT Analysis. Whether you're leading a business, managing a project, or setting personal goals, this is for you. Let's break it down. So, what is SWOT Analysis? It's a framework for identifying your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Think of it as a snapshot of where you stand today and a roadmap to where you want to go. It's simple, adaptable, and universally applicable, from global companies to individual goal setting. Here's how it works. Strengths are what you do well, like a strong brand or unique expertise. Weaknesses highlight what's holding you back, maybe outdated systems or resource gaps. Opportunities are external chances to grow, such as emerging markets or new trends. And threats are the challenges on the horizon, like new competitors or economic shifts. Brands like Apple and Tesla use SWOT to innovate and stay ahead. But it's not just for the big players. Imagine you're a startup. SWOT helps you pinpoint what makes you unique, spot growth opportunities, and anticipate risks, all in one structured process. The key takeaway: SWOT isn't just about analysis, it's about action. Use your strengths to seize opportunities, address weaknesses, and prepare for threats. It's your compass for making informed, confident decisions. We offer comprehensive information about SWOT analysis to help you dive deeper into this subject and discover valuable insights on sales and marketing. Our course is designed to guide you in expanding your business and increasing revenue. By registering on our website, you'll get access to detailed information about the course, including what you'll learn and how it can support your business growth. This in-depth program covers all aspects of building and scaling a business through effective sales and marketing strategies.